All right. It is May 27th, 2021. It is Thursday. This week seems to be going by slow. And it is vlog 98. And it is a beautiful day out there, but I do need a tuning. I haven't done one today, so. Here's my new one again. Nice. That was a double tuning. That was pretty cool. But anyways, let's recount yesterday. Actually, I kind of, no, not really, but I think I woke up at 9. Lately this week, I've been waking up around 8, maybe a little bit earlier. Usually the kid on the Figgy comes in and she wakes us up. It's kind of crazy. And then yesterday, I still wasn't feeling like, I think in the morning, I was just like, I don't feel like doing anything. So I just I just did some more computer work, which was pretty funny. And then I had the lesson with Maddie yesterday, which was cool. Actually, let's look at the weather today. Let's check out some Long Beach weather. Long Beach. 68. Dun, dun, dun. Wait, there was a high of 70, so we're coming down. Oops. Not Cupertino. We're coming down. So it's getting cooler. You can feel it. It's a slight breeze, but it was nice today. I didn't really go outside, but did a few chores around the house and stuff today. It was kind of crazy. But yesterday, Maddie kind of vegged out till the Maddie lesson and just went over there to the house. And we had a lesson. Actually, last time Maddie was kind of like tired. But it was cool. I think it was just school or whatever. But this time she was cheery, and it was cool. And actually, one of the things was we found out that she likes to play with her eyes closed, which is kind of cool. So we all did a session with our eyes closed, and it was fun. It was really fun. Me, Tim, and Maddie. And then we took our little breaks, but it's kind of hilarious because Maddie's interested in gymnastics, and I used to teach gymnastics, so she was doing like back bends and stuff, and I was like, oh yeah, here, I'll show you how to do it. And I would spot her. It was pretty funny. I just knew how to do it. It was kind of crazy. Tim's all, you're a man of many talents. I was like, it's kind of funny. I've done a lot of stuff. It's kind of crazy what you do in 50 years. And what you can do in another 50 years, actually. Kind of crazy. Knowing what you know now, what would you do? Let's see. I'm doing it, right? Ba-bam. And actually, it was funny because we did gymnastics, played tetherball, played handpan. And just going over there, like, I love the conversation. Stephanie and Tim are really cool people. And it's fun to talk to them about life, and we have some good conversations, so pretty interesting. But I had a good time, Maddie. You're awesome. Keep on hitting that handpan. Bum bum. And let's see, what else did I? Oh, we just had cool conversation. Then the Ook Social, no one showed up. But then it was funny because I saw it come up. Like I stayed on for like about 20 minutes, and I guess everybody's actually. It's funny because right now, school's starting, or starting to end, and all these activities are happening. So everybody's busy. It's like crazy. It's like in everything like that I do. Everybody's busy. It's crazy. So and plus like the COVID-19, like it seems like it's getting less and less, so and things are opening up, so people are getting busier and busier, so it's kind of crazy how things work. But yeah, no one showed up on the social, but Dean showed up later. I stayed on for 20 minutes and he showed up later, and so I got on really quick and he was there. I was like, yo, what's up? And then I go, yeah, no one showed up, and it was funny because we just had a good conversation. And Dean, you're awesome. It was weird how you connect with people sometimes, and it's kind of funny that we had to connect through Zoom, and he hates Zoom calls. Pretty hilarious. But he showed up and we just talked, and then he had to go. It was funny. But that's cool. I love that. It's an Oak Social, and sometimes we don't play. But I did play ukulele that day, so that's cool. Then after that, I did my vlog, and then Kaylee made pizza last night, and that was cool, and we hung out. Little family dinner, good family dinner. Kaylee made pizza, it was good. And just chilled out the rest of the night, so that was yesterday. Today, I kind of did some chores and stuff like that, but I'll save my story for tomorrow. Birthdays for today. Birthdays. Bang, bang. Joseph Tamayo. God, I haven't talked to you or heard your voice in a long time, man. But Joseph was a friend of ours through World Financial Group. And, yeah, we just stay friends on Facebook and stuff like that. But it's been a long time since I've talked to him, so that was cool. Charlie Ford. Oh my gosh. This is, I guess this is, wow, that's kind of gnarly. This is one of my skater friends that died a long time ago. And for the Action Sports Kids Foundation, we started a yearly thing, like a skate for Charlie Ford. It was kind of cool. And in some of my videos, if you check out my videos, there is a Charlie Ford video from the first one that they had. It was kind of cool, skateboarding and stuff. But roll in peace, my brother Charlie Ford. It's kind of weird because I kind of barely knew him. I knew of him, and I had filmed I have some video of him skating that I had filmed. It's kind of weird. And then Rob Cash, what's up, brother? Another friend from World Financial Group. I don't know where he is right now. Actually, I think I saw we're kind of like, you have those friends that you have on Facebook that you really don't talk, but you see. I think he was in Mexico, and actually Carrie right now is planning our trip to Mexico. I guess we're going to be going to Mexico, so that's going to be fun. White Beach, yeah, I need more vacation, so yeah. Coming soon, and I'll film the whole thing, of course, and this is our 50th year. So it's going to be awesome. But happy birthday, guys. Haven't talked to you in a while, but you know what? Still thinking of you. Well, a lot of people on the mind. It's kind of crazy how life turns out over time. And I'm trying to think, what else? Did I learn anything special yesterday? Actually, we were talking about it today. It's been, I think everybody's kind of like weird. Like I feel weird right now because everything's like changing. And I think it's all the friends that we talk about, they're all saying they feel weird and stuff like that. So it's kind of trippy. I think it's the change or going back to normal, knowing it's not going to be normal. I don't know. How do you guys feel? It's kind of crazy, but I'm always optimistic. So I'm always like, hey man, things are good. Things are really good right now. So, business is good. Life is good. Yeah. And things are getting better, I believe. We have a long way to go for sure, but things are getting better every day. So with that, that's all I got. It is May 27th, 2021. It is Thursday, and this is Vlog 98, and I will see you tomorrow. And like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. See you tomorrow.